I had to stop back in HomeGoods to see what they had in because they're loading up on Halloween stuff. When I first came in, I saw the stool. So I'm like a fan of all of these stools. I keep like trying to find new ones. So they had a grape one in. This little like faux floral arrangement I thought was cute, and I thought this would be nice too for fall. And this one was on clearance. They had like a few other options, but that one was on clearance. So these are some of the Halloween finds. A lot of like throw pillows, a lot of like big plushy things they do have at Home Goods right now. This little set I thought was cute. So you get a Miss Frankenstein and a Mr. Frankenstein. You get the set together. I think they're so cute, and they like nice and plush, and like the fur, like the faux fur on it. I think they're super cute. So that's how he looks, and that's how she looks. Like I said, a lot of little pillows, a lot of little throw blankets, different things like that. And the pillows all seem so nice and cozy. This little dog one I thought was so cute, and like these, like some of these remind me of. I'll always say it, remind me of things that you might find like at Pottery Barn or something like that. The blankets, they all felt so nice. But this brand is like a good brand for like throw blankets, and they have a lot at Home Goods that you can find. But they had like a lot of different options, and a lot of them are nice and neutral, so you can just fit that in with your, like if you don't want to go overboard with Halloween decor, it's just like nice subtle blankets, that you can just toss. A lot of neutral colors that'll go with a lot of sofas, chairs, different things like that. And then just really the price of the regular blankets usually are throughout the season. Like I said, a lot of little like doll like plushies and throw pillows and different stuff. They have other decor too. But look at the feet on that. I think that is so cute. It looks like little leather shoes, like little patent leather like boots and stuff. Thought that was cute. This one might be my favorite blanket. It's just the pops of color in it, and it's just like something cute and different. And they have a ton of other blankets, pillows, different things like that. But we're on the hunt for Halloween stuff. This kitchen items. So they have a lot of kitchen textiles. So like the pot holders, the kitchen towels, things like that. And they'll come in a set at Home Goods, so there'll be like different ones in the set. So a lot of them have different ones. I don't really find many that have the exact same tea towel in it, but the mixing and matching, it looks cute. So they'll put the sets together, and these are around the same price that the normal kitchen towels are at Home Goods. But you can see they have a lot of cute ones for Halloween. So if you like to do Halloween, Christmas, fall, they haven't put out any of the Christmas yet, and I didn't really see too many for fall. But if you like to do that, you could always check out Home Goods. A cute little stitch find. I was checking the carts, where they put the stuff that they load up, to see what they had. Oh, on this trip too, we also got a was it on this trip? This is the same Home Goods. I'm trying to think, but it's like a food warmer set with a USB, and then like a little blender, for like $8, and but only the pink one was on sale. They have some cute salt and pepper shakers for the Halloween season. Jack Skeleton. They did have a fall one. They had Mickey. Was it Mickey and Minnie? Mickey and Minnie fall salt and pepper shaker. They got some cute Hello Kitty finds. I'm able to find a lot of cute Hello Kitty things and stuff like that at Home Goods. Between Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, I'm able to find a lot of cute ones. These placemats I thought were so cute, and the quality of them really nice for those too. $25. And then they have the marble pieces. I love the marble pieces. So they had this one with the little bat details in it, and then they had the ghost one. They had this last year, which is really nice, and it is like a nice weight. It has the little like leg feet thing on the bottom, so it's not directly on the counter, but just like really nice. It's like some just really nice Halloween decor. These are those salt and pepper shakers. So aren't they so cute? So Home Goods is a great place too to get like Disney salt and pepper, like not just salt and pepper shakers, Disney like items and stuff like that. You see they have like the mini Halloween plate, and this really their Halloween stuff for like Disney and like different things for like Disney. I feel like it looks just like if you go to the Disney stores, like in the parks, they look like the same, but it's way less to get it from like Home Goods. And who can really tell you that where you got it from? So if you like a Disney lover or like a character lover, definitely check out Home Goods. Like I said, a lot of cute home decor pieces. These they had last year, but I just think these are so cute. And it's like a metal, and then because it's like lifted up from the back, it looks like It's like, actual little bats, like just cute quality and stuff like that. They had some Halloween gnomes and stuff, and just a lot of little knickknack pieces that you can just put around. Those are great for like if you do bar decor, like so if you have like a bar card or if you have like a drink station or something like that, that would be a cute little sign to put in. So we saw those metal buckets, like the pumpkin jack skeleton, I can't think, jack-o'-lantern buckets before. They had them in pink, and then like they come in different sizes. A lot of these we saw before too, but they did have like a few new pieces in, because like I said, they are loading up on the Halloween stuff. So these right here I think are pretty. So it looks like, like a little ghost painting. So you could leave it standing up like that, or you can use it like a tray on your table, because it is a tray. But you like even standing up is just super cute. So like I said, a lot of cute little Halloween things. But we are still on the hunt. Like I said, they haven't put out too much fall yet at my HomeGoods, but they have started to put it out the Halloween. I guess it's like fitting into the summerween kind of thing. So I don't know when they're going to start putting out the fall pieces, but I am loving the Halloween pieces that they are putting out at HomeGoods, because they have a lot of cute ones. A lot of ones that we did, like I said, seen last year, but some cute ones. This door wreath, this one was a cute one for fall. Just nice and pretty, and you can see it is like vibrant, and it's around the same price that most of their door wreaths and stuff like that are, but just really pretty for the season. They still have out a lot of summer stuff too. So if you are looking for summer things, you can still catch a lot of those at HomeGoods. But like I said, see the carts, they have a lot of like little signage and stuff that they are putting up. I guess like they're clearing out because 4th of July just passed not too long ago. So they clearing out that stuff.